Hi and happy Mardi Gras. This is Rozani. Today I'd like to show you how to make your very own Papier Mâché Mardi Gras mask from scratch. Here are the supplies that you'll need to get started. That'll be paper, masking tape, wire, liquid starch, and of course scissors. You could use floral wire because it bends very nicely. Something light to medium weight would be perfect. Let's get started. For this mask, the preferred colors will be purple, green, and gold, Mardi Gras colors. The other thing will be adding the icon, which is a Fleur de Lís, as you see here. And my goal is to create a mask with a Fleur de Lís in the center of it. You could freestyle a Fleur de Lís or use this one as a template. This will be a small mask. It will not cover the whole face. You can make it large or small. We're going to fold the paper in half and outline a mask. Do this on the fold. As you can see, I've cut it out here. I've cut out a little eye. I've unfolded it, and this is how it looks. I attached lightweight wire all the way around with masking tape. And now I'll use liquid starch and torn paper pieces to cover it. Now that the front and the back have been covered and it has completely dried, I'm going to see how it fits by flexing it against my face and bending the wires until it's comfortable. Keep in mind that if you wear glasses, you will need to make adjustments accordingly. So I'm offering a few suggestions. I hope they help you out. Think about adding ribbons or string to tie the mask, or a handle, such as a decorative stem. This will be my stopping point for now. Find more projects in my Mardi Gras playlist. If you would like to receive future updates, please subscribe and hit that notification bell for current information. Meanwhile, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye for now, and happy Mardi Gras.